This model kit review is of the AT-M6. It's a small model. I don't really have any kind of ratio or dimensions, and this is from Star Wars: The Last Jedi, and don't see anything else on here, so let's have a look inside. Some more advertising, I guess. Let's have a look at our sprues. So it looks like we have 4 sprues here, and incredible detail, very well molded. You can see over here, great level of detail here. Here's the side, and then part of our limbs. That looks like probably part of the top. Here are our legs with the other side of them. Really, really nicely molded. I don't see any mold lines or flashing anywhere. Here's the other side of the main body, and really tremendous amount of detail here. And here are the other legs. So it's great level of detail. Now here are the instructions. So it looks like they're on the inside of the box. We start off with the head, and that's all glued together, and then the main body with the top is glued together, and then we start to build the bottom parts. I'm not even sure what most of those are called. Those little pieces there. Then we've got our legs being built, as well as the head going on. Then we've got our other legs from the other side going on, and it shows you the pieces to use there. It doesn't really give you any details as to, at least in English, as to how to paint it. It just says grey with flat black. So yeah, that's about it. So that'll be the model. Great detail, pretty small and quick to build.